How to update YouTube application. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Updating the YouTube app on your device is essential for ensuring you have the latest features, security updates and bug fixes. So if you have got Android device, simply to update YouTube application you need to open the Google Play Store. Now you need to go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and then tap on the search icon at bottom right corner, select the search bar at top of the screen and type in YouTube. If you see any updates button next to the YouTube app, that means your app needs to get updated to the latest version. You simply need to tap on the update button and update your app to the latest version. But if you don't find any updates button, that means your YouTube application is up to date and don't need any updates currently. So, if you are on your iOS devices, you need to open the App Store, search for YouTube, and check for the updates. After that, you can easily update your YouTube application to the latest version on Android or iOS devices. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.